Hello, you guys. I am Butch Mahinay, founder and social media manager of RBM Solutions. This year that my colleagues and I enrolled to this social media marketing course, which is part of the Digital Jobs PH program of the DICT. Essentially, this course gives birth to the RBM Solutions. One important thing that we learned from the course is about brand fascination. It is anchored from Sally Hogshead and her Fascinate team, where she turned her world class branding experience into a marketing system. And Brand Fascination Profile gives you a shortcut to quickly learn more about what makes your brand fascinating. Think of it like a rapid fire focus group measuring how the world sees your brand. And when I took this brand online, the result is that I have the advantage of being powerful, and that's power. In brand fascination, there are actually seven advantages, and these are the innovation, passion, power, prestige, trust, mystique, and alert. And like I have mentioned already, that I took this online test in brandfascination.com, and the result is power. And it's really amazing because power is like the language of confidence. In brand fascination, you are actually taught on how to build up your image according to your brand fascination advantage. And just in my case, like I have power. So the strength is that I am giving people confidence, and it's very important that we build up according to our brand fascination advantage so we can actually draw people into our community, and there is some kind of alignment on how we interconnect with our community. The people who has this brand fascination advantage of power is being described to be assertive, goal-oriented, decisive, purposeful, and opinionated. And as a person, I believe I have these descriptions which I humbly manifest when I am already working with my organization, such as in the alternative learning system. In brand fascination advantage, it also has its corresponding marketing pillars. Like for my brand fascination advantage in power, I have these four marketing pillars, which are the following: pursue specific goals, lead the way, voice your opinions of authority, and take control. And this will be expounded more as you watch along in this video. So these are the four pillars that the RBM solution would embrace as it implements itself as a social media marketing entity. Number one is about pursuing specific goals. A successful goal is a specific goal, a goal that incorporates an action plan outlining how you will achieve the goal, and a performance measure that tells you whether you are successful or not. Business success isn't just a matter of a healthy bank account. Think about what you want to accomplish, no matter how outlandish it seems at first thought, and set your specific goals accordingly. In RBM Solutions, we will use this specific goal setting formula in all your business planning, and you'll quickly see an increase in the number of goals you accomplish, and that means more success. Now, it's very important to any organization to have their own vision, to have their own mission, and of course, specific goals. It is good to really engage everyone, the leaders and the members, to what is that goals, to what is that objective, so everyone knows where they are all heading to. We call that direction. Pillar number two is about leading the way. Almost everyone has heard that you're supposed to lead the way or lead by example. As an observer of leadership tendencies, you see all kinds of methods or styles being embraced. I believe that this is not an either or a decision, but rather a transitional act from one form to the next as followers become ready. In RBM Solutions, we believe that there needs to be a transitional phase where leaders move out of the way and let others move forward. We will help you advance to get your set goals. Now, in RBM Solutions, we believe that we have to push boundaries and be creative and be innovative and not really to join any bandwagon because that might not fit to any potential customers. So therefore, we need to explore possibilities. We need to push boundaries and think outside of the box and be in the forefront of innovations. And that we believe is creating a mark, creating a patent of excellence. In brand fascination advantage, power gives premium to the leader, and it is a leader who makes decisions. But of course, there are so many types of leadership, and in RBM Solutions, we actually would like to adopt the people-oriented type of leadership because that's very practical. Pillar number 3 is about voicing out opinions. Having a voice of authority is manifested by selling your ideas and expanding your influence, inspiring and motivating others to be part of a winning team, handling crisis in a way that builds rather than destroys trust, and identifying critical characteristics that increase one's credibility. In RBM Solutions, we believe on being complete, on being consistent, and on being concerned. And we believe that in RBM Solutions, we take considerations to any opinion, especially the viewpoints of our customers. Because we believe in consultation, we believe in consensus, we believe that two heads are better than one. And the last pillar, pillar number 4, is taking control. It is clear that helping our community maintain self control is an important task if organizations want to be more effective and ethical. We identified factors that can help leaders foster self control among the community members and mitigate the negative effects of losing self control. The keys to avoiding self control failures are to allow the body to rest and restore self control, re-examine existing organizational policies that might inadvertently reduce employees' or communities' self-control, and create a culture that deters negative behaviors in moments of reduced self-control. In RBM Solutions, we can hone you to be a leader with a high level of self-control to inspire your followers. And we believe that we should not be motivated by some unnecessary emotions. So we need to be firm, we need to be steadfast, and we need to have that resolution on what's really the best for the organization, what's really the best for the brand, and therefore we control it. First, we were taught about brand fascination concepts, and I'm sharing to you the 4 pillars of RBM Solutions. Of course, there are circumstances that are beyond our control, but with deliberate and careful planning, we'll be able to avoid some bottlenecks and roadblocks in the future. At this time of pandemic, taking advantage of the being powerful is very important, especially that we invest in virtual meetings, because with power we can turn tangible ideas into something that is concrete. So therefore we are not just talking that is something vague, something that is not clear. With power, we can make things cohesive, coherent, relatable, and something that is observable and actionable. And I believe at this time that's very important because due to distance and due to that less people contact, it's very important for us to establish reality in spite the fact that we are working virtually. Video marketing is indeed very new to me, but looking at its essence, it's very exciting and it's very, very promising. And now, if it is also to you, click like and subscribe and consider following me in all of my media channels, which I will be posting everything in my description below. Social media marketing is something new to me, but this is very promising. And if it is also promising to you, then click like and subscribe to my channel so you would know what's up and what's new with RBM Solutions. And that's all for now. Ciao! And all these services will actually improve your brand visibility and therefore increases your chances at reaching your four potential markets in different social media platforms.